So you want to know how to start your own creative agency. Well, we're going to tell you in 7 easy steps. You can start right now. So let's get started. Step number 1.
You need good motivation.
You can lose your job. I used to work in that office. Up until 3 days ago, the company had to downsize and terminate my contract.
Shit, I got sick the other day. Look at this bill. $7,500.
You done fucked up now!
Step number 2.
Build an agency based on your beliefs. So you've been creating a lot of stuff for other people and not for yourself.
Create beautiful and gorgeous shit. Get up your ass and start doing things because you got the brain and the ability to do it. All you need is the reason.
And you're willing to take risks to create meaningful, beautiful work.
Step 3.
Come up with a dope ass name. So Felipe, how are we gonna come up with that dope name?
You gotta get on that dope frame of mind.
I be that dude that thinks of dope names, dopest in the whole game. Agency creative when I flame them using propane. Doper than narcotics, my people push product. Whoa!
Push Product? That's a dope name.
And pushproduct.com is available for $11.95. It's a wrap.
Step 4.
Start creating. Infuse your beliefs into your own work. You're not creative unless you create.
Find cool people and work with them.
This is Sergio. He filmed most of this video with both hands. That's pretty dope, huh?
Step 5.
Get paying clients. You need that money, get that money.
You gotta hire a person to get new business. Whether it's a contractor, somebody that works with you, or a partner.
There you go. And you can reach out to clients and say, yo, I want to make cool YouTube videos for you. That's what we're doing right now, making cool YouTube videos.
All you gotta do is start creating. Whether it's YouTube, freelance, whether it's something that you like doing as a hobby, you gotta start creating.
Offer to make cool instructional YouTube videos like this one. Step by step, break it down, baby. Step 6.
Always market and advertise yourselves.
So you gotta spread the word. Make a YouTube video and get it out there any way you can. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell strangers, tell the milkman, tell the police.
Because now you can create without limitations. That means that you got the freedom to do whatever you want creatively. You gotta come up with your own ways to be creative. You gotta start doing your own thing.
Yo, and you gotta always do stuff. Don't just talk about it. Yeah, you can talk. Yeah, you can come up with ideas, but you gotta turn those ideas into action. So that's something you always gotta remember.
When was the last time you did something that you said you were gonna do? When was the last time you told your friend that you had a really good idea for an app or for some type of business, but it just stayed there as an idea, as a conversation? You gotta start doing shit that matters. You gotta start doing things that you say that you're gonna do. Step 7.
Why are you still here? Turn the video off. You got work to do, baby.
You gotta get up, go to the bathroom, take a piss, then wash your face, wash your hands too, but wash your face and start doing things.
You gotta do something. So, normally at this point, people go, yo, you gotta subscribe, you gotta like, you gotta this, you gotta that. Do something. If you wanna work with us, leave a comment, shoot us an email, stand up from your desk right now, turn the computer off, turn your phone off, tap the person next to you and go, yo, I wanna work with these guys. Yo, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. Have a game plan, reach out to us. Don't just sit here, watch this video, and let another day go by where you're just, oh, I got nothing going on. Oh, nothing's coming to me. This is your creative agency now, baby. You took all the steps, you followed everything the way we told you, you should be blowing up by now. So if you're blowing up, reach out to us so we can blow up together.
You could just start making another video for how you're gonna create your next business. You're gonna have YouTube views. So it's all a big
snowball
that's just gonna keep rolling and rolling and rolling until you do something. Okay? So just do it, man. We believe in you.
And even if you don't want to do anything right now, make a video about how you don't want to do it and send it to us. We'll blow it up.
Yeah, we'll put it in everything that we have.
real, man. Pop off. Pop off with us, baby.